Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are unbox the Meesho Find 3-piece combo of kids girl t-shirt in vibrant blue, red and yellow. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the packaging. It's neat and secure, ensuring that the t-shirt arrive in perfect condition. Now let's take a look at these colors. The blue is striking and perfect for casual outing, while the red add a pop of energy. And how can we forget the sunny yellow? It's cheerful and great for play dates or family gathering. Now onto the fabric quality. These t-shirts are made from soft breathable cotton, which is essential for kids who love to be active. I can already tell they will be comfortable for all day wear. The striking looks solid, which is a huge plus for durability, especially with kids. Next, let's check the sizing. These t-shirts have a relaxed fit, making them easy to put on, take off. They are perfect for layering as well. Whether it's paired with shorts or jeans, these t-shirts can easily transitions through different seasons. So now I know parents are always concerned about how clothing hold up after washing. I will be testing that out and will update you on how well these t-shirts maintain their color and shape after a few wash. Overall, this Meesho combo offers great value with its vibrant color and quality fabric. If you are looking to refresh your little one's wardrobe with fun and stylish option, this set is definitely worth considering. Stay tuned for more follow-up review after some wear and wash tears. Don't guys, if you want to purchase this product, then I'll share link is in description box. You can check it out. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. Till then, bye, take care. Thank you for watching my video.